Hey students, let's study week 21 of Mechanic Diesel. Have a look on the topics which we are going to study this week. Auto industry, history, leading manufacturing. In 1987, first car rolled out in the street of Calcutta. The next year there were 4 cars in the street of Bombay. The alliance between Maruti and Suzuki was first joint venture between an Indian company. In India, some of industries are manufacturing the vehicle parts and assembly. Example, Tata, Hindustan Motors and Ashok Leyland, etc. Development in automobile industry. In due to the recent developments in electronic and computers, lots of changes have come in the automobile. Due to this, precise control would achieve fuel efficient engines, clean emission engines, easy steering and anti-locking brakes, keyless entry, navigation and smart dashboard, etc. New product in automobile industry. Gasoline direct injection GDI, hybrid vehicle, electronic vehicle, driverless cars, lean burn engine, alternate fuel. Brief about Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. This is an apex organization under the central government is entrusted with the task of formulating and administrating in consultation with other central ministries, departments, state governments, UT administration, organization and individuals policies for road transport. National highways and transport research with a view to increase the mobility and efficiency of the road transport system. Automotive Research Association of India. The Automotive Research Association of India has been playing a crucial role in assuring safe, less polluting, and more efficient vehicles. ARAI has been providing various services to the Indian automotive industry in the areas of designing and development and know how for manufacture and testing of components system to national international standards. National Automotive Testing and R&D Infrastructure Project NATRIP aims at setting up of 7 of the art automotive testing and R&D centers across the country and thereby the project aims at creating core global competencies in automotive sector in India and facilitates seamless integration of Indian automotive industry with the world as also to position the country prominently on the global automotive map, synergizing India's unique capabilities in information technology and automotive sector. Classification of vehicles based on Central Motor Vehicles Act vehicles. Motorcycle, invalid carriage, three-wheelers, light motor vehicle, heavy goods vehicle, medium good vehicle. Based on wheel, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, multi-axle. Based on fuel used, petrol vehicle, diesel vehicle, gas vehicle, electric vehicle. Based on body, salon, sedan, hatchback, convertible, station wagon and van. Based on drive, front engine, rear wheel drive, rear engine, rear wheel drive, front engine, front wheel drive, four wheel or wheel drive. Based on position of engine, front transverse engine, front longitudinal engine, rear transverse engine. Based on steering, conventional manual steering, power steering hydraulic, power steering electric. Based on transmission, manual transmission, automatic transmission, automated manual transmission, continuously variable transmission. Uses of vehicle hoist. The modern automobile service stations are used the various type of equipments to lift the vehicles. They are as follows: single post hydraulic car hoist, two type of car hoist, four post car hoist, engine hoist, jacks and stands. Single post hydraulic car hoist. The car hoists are specially designed for resistant to wear and damage during water wash. Single post type is suitable for vehicle up to 6 tons. Two post hoist. It is operated by electro-hydraulic system. It is easy to operate and maintain. The double post hoist and safely provision also provided to hold the vehicle. Four post car hoist. It works as single and double post hoist. It is suitable for lift the vehicle, light and heavy vehicle. Engine hoist. Engine hoist help to lift an engine from car, truck. The hydraulic pressure converts power to a mechanical advantage and lifts the engine from the car with less effort. Jacks. It is used to lift the vehicle, which are operated by mechanically and hydraulically. Jacks is designed to lift the vehicle and hold the vehicle load during the repair works. Jack is standard accessory with many vehicles. Types of jack: light-weighted screw jack, heavy-duty bottle type hydraulic jack, trolley type hydraulic jack. Axle stand. It is always ensure safety before starting the work under the lifted vehicle. Jack support is not enough. It could be dangerous. Always use axle stands for safety work. Different size of stands are used depend upon the vehicle load. Thanks for listening.